Hello, I am Selvi Selva, your Facebook friend and your fingerprint course tutor. Please watch this video carefully and at the end of it, click the link below to access the Facebook advertisement course. There are 5 videos which explain step-by-step instructions how to craft your advertisement and launch the advertisement. Quick and easy ways are explained. Don't forget to click the link and access the course. Thank you. You have to grab the attention of the audience when you cast your message and inspire them. So apply these ideas when you launch a new Facebook ad next time, because you are investing your time and money. You should get reward for that. Continuity, clarity equal conversion. Find out what makes a great advert. Click the link below to get access and increase your profit. You have to send the traffic to your landing page, not to the website, because that will confuse your customers. You should clearly say what you want them to do and what the benefit of your product. We will help you everything you need. On top of that, I will give you 60-day money back guarantee. You don't need to worry.